What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon back at it again with another crypto video. What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, get notified when I post new videos because it's all time sensitive. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys an update on my SNEK and my Bonk holdings. As you guys know, in my last video, I went ahead and bought a crap load of SNEK. And then, of course, we bought some Bonk. So I'm going to tell you guys what's up. What's going on with these projects? What's going on with my holdings? Am I up? Am I down? And then, of course, we got to talk about some news, some awesome news with Bonk, and some other not so good news with the Fed rate cuts. Are they coming next year like we thought? We're going to get into that. So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this important information. Now, interestingly enough, SNEK and Bonk both absolutely ripping, just non-stop ripping. SNEK all-time high. It just continues to push the limits. We are literally going higher day by day, and the full diluted market cap for SNEK is only $129 million. So to get to $1 billion, $1.29 billion, we still are looking at a 10x. If we want to catch Bonk, $2.8 billion market cap, we're talking about a 20x, people. Insane. And it looks like it's going to happen. I mean, over the past 7 days alone, right? We're talking about 100% gains. 1 month, 543% gains. Now, if you guys would have listened to me 6 months ago when I called out this cryptocurrency, look at that. You'd be up about 1,000% or a 10x alone just in the last 6 months. So it's truly insane to see these gains. Doesn't look like anything is slowing down, even in the face of the entire global crypto market cap pulling back 1.21% down over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the top movers down. But that's okay. All this tells us is that Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum dominance are moving to the downside. That's literally what that means. When you see the global crypto market cap take a dip and your other cryptocurrencies continue to rip, that just means Bitcoin dominance is dropping. So it is a good thing. Now, of course, we did get fantastic news yesterday that the Federal Reserve was looking at rate cuts. Now, it's just a political move from the president. Are we signaling that, Bidenomics is truly working? Nobody really knows. Of course, it depends what news you watch is going to determine what your political outcome is and your belief on this situation here. But of course, when that news was released yesterday, the markets rallied. The stock markets rallied. Everything was moving to the upside. Now, of course, today we had one of the federal officials come out and say, not really thinking about rate cuts, pours some cold water on that idea altogether. And that is why the stock market is pulling back like crazy today. So that's why I don't mess with stocks. I was telling one of my friends I put $1,200 into a Roth IRA about 3 years ago. It's up to $1,300. Come on. Not even 10% gains. Forget about it. That's why I stay out of the stock market. Stock market is how you get rich. If you're a boomer, I guess. But for us new millennials, Gen Z, even Gen X, all of us new kids that are on the scene, the best way to make life-changing wealth and maybe lose it all is crypto. I got to throw that in because it's true. You could lose it all. You got to be careful when you're investing in cryptocurrencies. Of course, nothing on my channel is financial advice, blah, 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 blah. But you guys get what I'm saying. Be careful. Don't put all your eggs into one basket. Throw your money around. Don't have such a diamond hand perspective, even though I do. Now, when I threw in the money that I threw into SNEK a couple days ago, when I showed you guys live right here, put $1,600 into SNEK, I'm okay with losing all of that, literally. And that's the mindset you need to have when you're investing in crypto. Be okay with losing it all. Because if you're not, that's when the bad stuff happens. Okay? You don't want to overextend yourself. You don't want to be too desperate where you're willing to make these ridiculous bets on cryptos that have a market cap of $1 million. And even though usually I would stay away from coins with a market cap of $100 million, SNEK has such a vibrant community, the Cardano community. And if you guys know anything about the Cardano community, you know it's kind of like a cult. And I say that wearing my cult hat. I mean, let's just be real. I'm part of the Cardano community. I've loved Cardano. I've been preaching about Cardano since my very first video. But I still love it. And the reason why is just like Doge, just like Shib, just like Bonk, just like Pepe. These communities have such power. And they will not give up their coins no matter what. And trust me when I say that Cardano is one of the most vibrant communities. That's why it's sitting in the top 10 cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $21.8 billion. So, and we've seen an all-time high of Cardano of around $3.14. So there's still massive potential upside for Cardano. And the reason why is because it's a good software, good team, good roadmap, solid founder, solid peer-reviewed every single step of the way, and the community will never give up on Cardano. And the same thing goes for Solana. Solana has such a powerful community. Solana is essentially the Cardano community with another cryptocurrency. And that is why Solana and Cardano always butt heads. Now, you know, I am more partial to Cardano, but I don't knock it because I know Solana has a vibrant community. It's backed by a lot of VCs, and I know people have problems with that. It's centralized. Its blockchain has gone down numerous times. But still, it doesn't matter. The community is what controls the price on Solana. And that is why Bonk is absolutely killing it. I mean, it came out of nowhere. It had a market cap of nothing. And we're almost up to $3 billion in a fully diluted market cap. Okay? We're talking insane gains here. And I literally made a video yesterday showing you myself dumping 1,000 ADA into Coinbase and then transitioning all of that over into Bonk. It was about $630, $640. So we're up about $200. So pretty sick gains. That's about a 33% gains just in one day alone. Doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. Now, I will say this with Bonk, okay? I will say this with Bonk. I do expect it to pull back a little bit. And the reason why is because Bonk just went live on Coinbase yesterday. So you know that there's a lot of normies, a lot of paper-handed individuals that buy Bonk simply because they see the price rising, FOMO sets in, they got to throw some money in. For that reason, those individuals are most likely going to be the ones that sell the second Bonk turns to the downside. That's just what happens. People are scared. They want to make some quick money. Bingo, bango, the price starts going down. Let's cash out right now. Or they buy right at the top and the price dips and they cut their losses, right? Not the way to do it. You want to buy low, sell high, but emotions take over when we're dealing with money. You just got to keep that in the back of your mind. So overall, I'd say I'm doing pretty good. Almost up 1,000 ADA in literally 2 days. Insane to see. That's like a $600 gain. Plus, we're up about $200 with our Bonk. So literally, in the matter of 36 hours approximately, we've made $700. So I know that's not insane money for a lot of these YouTubers, but anyone would be happy with $700 gain. So literally, that's how easy it is in the cryptocurrency market. When things are going well, when you see prices ripping to the upside, you saw Bitcoin go from $26,000 up to $44,000 in the matter of 2 weeks. All that money has to go somewhere. Because at the end of the day, 92% of the long-term holders in Bitcoin are in the green already. So when we had that 2-week rip to the upside, up 36% in literally 2 weeks, what do you think is going to happen? That money is going to start trickling down from Bitcoin into the altcoins because people are greedy and people want to make their X's go higher. So that's literally all I have to say about that. And then the last story, pretty cool story. Some Solana Dev got an airdrop of $300 worth of Bonk. Merry Christmas. $500,000. It's insane to see. Now, what I'm curious to see is he going to sell now? Or is he going to continue to hold Bonk? Because, guys, at $2.9 billion, we are not even cracking, I don't think, the top, oh, we just did, crack the top 50. So we still have so much potential upside for Bonk. Now, this is not the fully diluted market cap. So in reality, it is a little bit higher up on this list. But let's just take a look at Shiba Inu. $5.78 billion. So we still have a 2x for Shiba. And then for Dogecoin, if we want to crack the top 10, and it is possible, we saw it with Pepe just a couple months ago. If it's going to happen, we're talking about a 10, 11x from where we are now. So that's all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my holdings of SNEK and, of course, of Bonk. Gotta love it. Love, love, love the green days. Of course, we'll see what happens tomorrow. If it's a red day, we'll see if this smile is still on my face. But you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.